Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can add 3D characters in your website for free and very easily. For this, you just have to search Pixscape, enter, and then here you got 15,000 plus free and premium 3D icons. So you can download 3D characters, 3D icons or mockups. So for 3D characters, just click in here and just select the free plan, and here you can see so many of 3D characters are available for absolutely free. So just select any of the characters for any frame or any perspective. You can edit it easily. See, if you want it little bit to be rotated, you can rotate it as you want, like this or something. If you have this on mind, you can easily add this also. Okay, and then you can download this as image, or if you have Chrome, you can download it in 3D format and do something with JavaScript. So I'm just gonna use the image. So I have these two images, this and this. So let's make a landing page using these. So I have got two divs here, both are of same type. I have got an image tag, heading tag, and paragraph tag. So I think uh, let's just see how this looks like. So here I have the output of the basic. What I'm going to do is style this with CSS. Oh, I forgot to link the CSS. Okay, CSS. Okay, okay. So far so good. So now we have to do this H1 and P. Okay. So inside that div, okay. So each and everything is now in line. Now we have to explicitly set the H1 to display of block. Well, guess what? This isn't possible, and I don't know why. Okay, so you can't have three. Okay, so let's just add one more page inside here. I guess that will sort out this. Okay, so the div that is exactly like this. Okay, yeah, that's much better. And now, okay, we just get some pattern. 3 or 4 and okay, that's better. Font family, something like that. Okay, that's much better. Font size of 2 and yeah. So now you can see, tired of searching, we got everything for you. That's looking much better. Okay, let's meet in the next video, and I will show you something new, that how you gonna have this in just one page, and this one in the next page. Or if you want to this the photo on the left and this on the right, and then the next part we're gonna have this on the left and photo on the right without using any extra HTML. We just gonna do it with basic CSS properties. Let's meet in new video. Thank you.